Hi, John Collins here. A few weeks back, I posted some videos on the YouTube channel that had the templates for the new planes. And I thought it would be kind of cool just to post some video with just regular sheets of paper to show you how to make these planes. The book is great, really happy with it. It turned out terrific. It has flip side guides. Those white edges you can see on some of the models show you where the creases go after you start to make them. There are QR codes that take you to the video. These are all very, very easy to fold planes. And I thought, hey, if you're not interested in getting the book and working your way through the instructions and the templates and whatever, you just wanted to fold these simple planes, these really beginner planes for kids, I'm going to do that. So what I want to do is start with the world record plane, which is the first plane in the book, and we'll just go through the rest of them. So here we go. World record plane. Start with a regular sheet of paper if you're making it in the United States, A4 if you're making it anywhere else but the US. The big difference in this one and the book is that we're going to do diagonal folds here first. Now, the templates don't require the diagonal folds. The template has just the crease that you're going to do next that references the diagonal fold. So all of the planes in the book allow you to just fold the paper over in one direction. You just have to fold in one direction. So you start by making diagonal folds here, and then we're going to take this right-hand edge against the diagonal fold there. And we're going to leave that folded and bring this corner over to the end of this crease here. And I'm going through this a little bit quicker than I ordinarily would, but that's just because you can stop and start this at your leisure here. And then we're going to go right straight across the center of that X, and we're going to line up these creases coming over from the backside with the very bottom layer creases we can see here. You just want these creases to come to a nice sharp point there. Then we're going to follow the direction of these creases here. Fold this flap up over those two corners there, flip over, rotate it this way, fold in half, and then bring this long edge right down to the base, like this. Flip it over, do the same thing to the other side. And all of the proper adjusting and how to get your plane to do what you want, all of that's in the book. All of that's covered on other videos here on my YouTube channel. But there's your world record plane. And again, it's all available in the new book. It's got a lot of cool planes. That's the Angry Bee right there. The tumbling wing, you can see when it tumbles, the bees show it from both sides. We've got a looping flatbed design. The Phoenix Lock, which is terrific. Star Power. This is a great collection, a truly great collection of just beginner planes. And you can order it at my website. It's at Amazon right now, but if you probably need it signed, right? So go ahead, free shipping right now on the website, thepaperAirplaneGuy.com. Get the book if you like. If you don't, stay tuned and do all 10 planes from the book. So that we'll be posting those as we go along, as they say.